Listen, repeat, and practice. Does anyone here speak English? Does anyone here speak English? Can I take a message? Can I take a message? They haven't met her yet. They haven't met her yet. If you like it, I can buy more. If you like it, I can buy more. What did you do last night? What did you do last night? It's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I bought a shirt yesterday. I bought a shirt yesterday. It depends on a weather. It depends on a weather. What are you going to have? What are you going to have? Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? I nearly made a mistake. I nearly made a mistake. We sat down face to face. We sat down face to face. She hung the photo frame on the wall. She hung the photo frame on the wall. It took 5 minutes to get to the station. It took 5 minutes to get to the station. Come again tomorrow. Come again tomorrow. The weather is usually hot in July. The weather is usually hot in July. You look sick. You look sick. Who will look after your mother? Back you. Who will look after your mother back to you? He wants see us again. He won't see us again. I wonder if she will marry him. I wonder if she will marry him. Ask him where he parked his car. Ask him where he parked his car. He is going to resign. Take my words for it. He is going to resign. Take my words for it. When I spilled wine on Sarah's dress, I nearly died of embarrassment. When I spilled wine on Sarah's dress, I nearly died of embarrassment. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? All good, can't complain. All good, can't complain. That's great, lucky you. That's great, lucky you. That's a good one. That's a good one. It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you, sir. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. Thank you in advance. Thank you in advance. Hi, be happy, no worries. Hi, be happy, no worries. Did I get you right? Did I get you right? Thank you anyway. Thank you anyway. Sorry, I didn't catch the last word. What do you say? Sorry, I didn't catch the last word. What did you say? Could you please repeat? Could you please repeat? Sorry, I wasn't listening. Sorry, I wasn't listening. How do you know? How do you know? I'll be with you in a minute. I'll be with you in a minute. Where were we? Where were we? You have got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. Well, when it comes to meeting me, you always say no. When it comes to meeting me, you always say no. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, then subscribe and hit the bell icon.